ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Hands-On GameMaker Studio 2. So what we're going to do in this lesson is just get the balls colliding with the players and how to prevent spawn camping. So let's go ahead and open up Object Ball 1. We're going to add an event. We're going to say when the ball collides with Object Player 2, what do we want to do? Alright, so first what we're going to do is create the effect for, or the particle effect, the explosion. So let's go ahead and do effect, create above, EF explosion, X, Y, 0, and C underscore blue, because this is a blue ball. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and jump the player to a starting position so that way he doesn't, there's no way to spawn camp. So okay, let me pull up the room here so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, so if you see down in this area here, we got numbers changing. These are X and Y coordinates, and so far we've been moving our characters with speed and direction, but we want our players to actually jump to a specific X and Y coordinate. So right here, if we look, we have 542 and 382, so we're going to go ahead and make our character, or Object Player 2, jump there if he's hit by the ball. Alright, so that was 540, I believe it said 542, 382. Yeah, that's fine, that'll work. Alright, so let's go ahead and say with other, and we're just going to say X equals 532, Y equals 382. And then we also want our Object Player 1 to move, that way he can't sit in one spot and just keep shooting the Player 2. Let's go ahead, pull this back up, and we'll say about right here, that should be fine. So let's do 92, 92, that should work fine. Go, oh, and our Player 1, Ball 1, I want to say with Object Player 1, X equals 92, and oh, Y equals 92. Alright, so now let's go ahead and actually, before we do this, we want to destroy the ball as well, so we'll just say instance destroy. Let me just scoot over here so you guys can actually see all the code here. So we create the effect, we move the other object, which in our case here, because it's colliding with Object Player 2, would be Object Player 2. We then move Object Player 1, and we destroy the ball. And we can go ahead and just copy this code, close out Object Ball 1, open up Object Ball 2, add event, and say collision with Object Player 1. Go ahead and just paste that in there. And instead of blue, because it's a red ball, we're going to say red. With other, we're going to switch these around, the 92s and the 532, 382. So we're just going to say 92, 92, let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, so first I'll hit object player 2 with the blue ball. That seemed to work. And now I'll hit object player 1 with the red ball. And that did not work. Alright, so I gotta win the red ball right now. Yes, okay. So with, oh, that's why I need to switch this to object player 2. Now we can run it, and that should work. Alright, that looks pretty good. So that'll prevent spawn camping. And then what we can also do is set it to where our characters actually start at those positions. So open up object player 1, go to the create event, and in the create event just hit x equals 92, y equals 92, open up object player 2, go into the create event, x equals 532, and y equals 382. Now if we run the game, our character should start in those positions. There we go, that looks pretty good. And then when we hit them together, we jump back. When the blue ball hits the skeleton, and then when the red ball hits the ghost, they jump back. Alright, that's it for this lesson. No challenge today, but I look forward to seeing you in the next video.